Hi everyone, it's Audrey Weidman, and I just thought I would share with you what I do for breakfast almost every morning, and it really helps me to stay on track. And unlike cereals or bagels that I used to have, because they're so high in carbs, I would always want a snack in the middle, at probably the middle of the day. By 10 o'clock, I would be hungry again. Well, I am using a wonderful product called USANA Nutrimeal, and this is, this is one that's plant-based, but there are chocolate ones and vanilla ones that have dairy and soy in them. But what I do most mornings is I have a shake, and the reason that they're so good is that they're balanced for protein, fat, and carbs. And this really keeps me on track. And I just thought I would show you really quick how fast this goes to make a very yummy shake. So I'm going to turn this down. And I've got my no sugar added almond milk. And I've got a NutriBullet. And what I have done to make this really easy, I don't know if you can see this, but I've made a mark here on my blender bottle that I know this is 12 ounces, so that's really easy. And then I'm going to add in my shake, and this would be fine in and of itself. The plant-based one is a little bit more bland, so I like to add a few things to it. I'm going to add, you can see this is a really ripe banana. I'm going to add this, and that will give me a nice amount of vitamins and sweetness. And I'm going to add in a heaping teaspoon of ground flaxseed, which will get me fiber, additional fiber, and omega-3s. And then what I usually do is I have avocado, a ripe avocado, and this is kind of a big avocado. And what I do is I take about a quarter of it and put it in. And avocado, it is high in fat, but it's also really high in fiber and helps to keep you satisfied, and it gives a really nice smooth flavor. And finally, I made up a chai spice blend, which you can find on my blog, audreyweidman.com. And what I'm going to do is I am just going to add a good amount of it because I do enjoy spice. That's like kind of a heaping teaspoon, I guess. And then all I'm going to do is blend it. And I just have, I think it's NutriBullet. And gotta make sure this is tied on, or screwed on. And that's all I do, just enough to get it, going. And then what I do is I just put the lid on, and I'm ready to go because I have a morning full of meetings, and I'll be ready to go, and I will not feel hungry. So if you are interested in trying something like this, please message me. You cannot get this in stores, but I can direct you to a link. If you're interested, private message me or leave a comment below. All right, thanks everyone. Bye-bye. Have a great morning.